As you can see, I finally got the timing cover off. It's harmonic balancer. It's got to be well over 500 to 700 foot-pounds of you put on there to get that bolt off. But anyways, everything looks good. I'm just going to change this timing chain tensioner. It kind of moves around a little too much. And then we're going to put some new guides on it. Not worrying about too much of these guys. The gears, we're just going to put new guides there and there and replace this guy. So we're going to put a new tensioner. This little guy here. And these guides. We're going to throw these guides on there. And let's get to it. Chain's nice, snug and tight. Taut. Good. Good, good, good. Now it can be resealed back up and shipped. Well, that does it for this one because the timing chain's done. Like I said, there was a timing chain tensioner that went bad. Made it skip a beat just a tiny. Not too bad. It's alright. New timing chain, new guides. Now I'm going to torque everything down and get her out of here. The problem with this motor was this guy. This guy right here. Chain tensioner went bad. Crazy. Chain's nice, snug and tight. Taut. Good. Good, good, good. Now it can be resealed back up and shipped. Well, that does it for this one because timing chain's done. Like I said, there was a timing chain tensioner that went bad. Made it skip a beat just a tiny. Not too bad. It's alright. New timing chain, new guides. Now I'm going to torque everything down and get her out of here. The K24 engine is done. Ready to rock and roll. I'm going to call the customer and tell them to come pick it up. As you can tell, it's raining pretty hard, so we're going to try to get out of here. But I want also to say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Also, thank you to our sponsors, Motor by Motor, for all your brake components. Go check them out. We also have Doobie, the newest one on our team for sponsors. Go check them out. Use our promo code. Get yourself a discount. And we also are an authorized dealer for Finish Line Factory. So if you need any of your fittings, hit us up and we'll get you at least a 25% discount. Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, I believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.